Hey everyone. Today we're going to look at the 5 best cordless mini circular saws on the market for this year. With 6 blades, brushless motors, and ergonomic designs on display, this circular saw review is not one to miss. We are going to show you our 5 selections, and we'll discuss whether they are worth purchasing or not. For additional details and the latest pricing on the mentioned products, visit the links in the description below. Okay, so let's get started. Number 1. Galax Pro 20V Cordless Circular Saw. This circular saw is a cutting-edge tool designed to elevate your woodworking projects to new heights. This powerhouse circular saw comes with a robust 2.0Ah battery, ensuring long-lasting performance and uninterrupted cutting sessions. The integrated laser guide adds a level of precision and accuracy, guiding you to achieve precise, straight cuts with ease. Additionally, the included rip guide provides the convenience of making consistent cuts along the length of your materials. With 2 high-quality blades, 24T and 60T, the Galax Pro Circular Saw is a versatile companion that can handle a wide range of materials. From wood to metal, this saw's 3400 RPM motor delivers smooth, powerful cuts, making it an ideal choice for both professionals and enthusiasts. With a maximum cutting depth of 1 to 11/16 inches at 90 degrees and 1/18 inches at 45 degrees, you have the flexibility to tackle various projects with precision and efficiency. Number 2. Works 20-volt Cordless Compact Circular Saw. This is a compact and mighty cordless circular saw designed to make your woodworking tasks a breeze. Featuring the 20V Power Share battery platform, this saw ensures compatibility with other Works tools, offering the convenience of using the same battery for multiple devices. The 3/3/8 inches blade size allows for easy handling and maneuverability, making it perfect for small to medium-sized projects. Weighing in at a mere 4.2 pounds, this circular saw boasts a lightweight and ergonomic design, providing comfort during extended use and reducing user fatigue. The 3500 RPM motor delivers ample power, allowing you to achieve smooth, precise cuts through wood, plastic, and other materials. With cutting depths of 1 to 11/16 inches at 90 degrees and 1 to 3/8 inches at 45 degrees, you have the versatility to handle various cutting angles with confidence and ease. Number 3. Haichika Mini Circular Saw. The Haichika 6.2A Mini Circular Saw is a true gem for those seeking a compact yet powerful cutting tool. This electric circular saw comes with 3 high-quality blades, 4 inches, catering to different cutting needs. Its compact design, coupled with the impressive 6.2A motor, allows for efficient cutting through wood, soft metals, tiles, plastics, and more. The ergonomic rubber handle provides a comfortable grip, reducing hand fatigue and ensuring optimal control during operation. The 10 feet cord length offers flexibility and convenience, allowing you to work in various locations without worrying about reach. With a maximum cutting depth of 1 to 7/8 inches at 90 degrees, this mini circular saw is perfect for both intricate and straightforward woodworking projects. Whether you're a seasoned woodworker or a enthusiast, the Haichika Mini Circular Saw is a reliable and versatile addition to your tool collection. Number 4. Skill Purecore One-Hand Circular Saw Kit. The Skill Purecore 20 Brushless Circular Saw Kit is a must-have for anyone in need of a compact and lightweight cutting solution. Powered by a brushless motor, this circular saw delivers exceptional efficiency, extended runtime, and a longer tool life compared to traditional brushed motors. The kit comes complete with a 2.0Ah PWR Core 20 lithium battery and charger, ensuring you're ready to tackle cutting tasks straight out of the box. Weighing only a few pounds, this one-hand circular saw is designed for easy handling and maneuverability, making it an excellent choice for overhead and tight space cutting. The 6000 RPM motor ensures quick, smooth cuts through various materials, while the 4.5-inch blade provides versatility for multiple applications. The Skill Purecore 20 Circular Saw offers a maximum cutting depth of up to 1 to 11/16 inches at 90 degrees, providing the flexibility to handle diverse cutting projects with precision. Whether you're working on wood, metal, plastic, or other materials, this compact and lightweight circular saw kit has got you covered. Number 5. Doberman Mini Circular Saw with Laser. The Doberman Circular Saw is a reliable companion for enthusiasts and professionals seeking a powerful yet compact cutting tool. The 5.8A motor ensures ample cutting power, enabling you to tackle various materials, including wood, soft metal, plastic, and tile, with ease. The integrated laser guide enhances cutting accuracy, allowing you to make precise and clean cuts every time. The circular saw comes with a metal auxiliary handle, providing added stability and control during operation. With a cutting depth of 1 to 11/16 inches at 90 degrees and 1 inches at 45 degrees, you have the versatility to handle different cutting angles to meet your project requirements. The Doberman circular saw includes 6 saw blades, offering versatility for various cutting tasks. Whether you're embarking on home improvement projects or professional woodworking tasks, this mini circular saw is an indispensable tool in your workshop. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe and hit the bell for daily helpful videos. Check the description for more info and prices. Leave a comment for assistance. Enjoy life with our amazing products. Thanks for watching, have a great day.